Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Math Screencast. Today's lesson focuses on the area and circumference of a circle. Finding the area and circumference of a circle is another geometric topic that will surely show up on the GED test. What is a circle? A circle is a figure in which all points on the edge of the circle are the same distance from the central point. The central point is also called the origin. Now, part of the circle is the diameter. The diameter of a circle is the straight line distance all the way across the circle passing through the center. And it is generally indicated by the letter D. So D is the diameter. And it will only be considered as diameter if it passes through the center point. Now, another part of the circle is the radius. The radius of a circle is the straight line distance from the center of the circle to any point on its edge. And it is generally indicated by the letter R. Now, if you are going to compare the radius and the diameter is always twice the length of the radius. Or, to put it another way, the radius is always half the length of the diameter. Another part of the circle is the circumference. Circumference is the distance around the outside of a circle, and it is generally indicated by the letter C. Now, in finding the area and circumference of a circle, you will be given formulas. The formula for finding the area, we have area is equals to pi r squared. Circumference, C is equals to 2 pi r, or you can also use C is equals to pi d. Now, what is pi and what is the value of pi? The Greek letter pi represents a constant that is approximately equal to 3.14. When working with pi, you can either use this approximation, which is 3.14, or use the pi button on your calculator for a more exact answer. Let's try some GED type of question. First question. What is the area of a circle with a diameter of 6 meters? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. If the diameter is 6 meters, then the radius is what? Okay, diameter is 6 meters. The radius is what? Remember, radius is twice of, or radius is half of diameter. So we can have 6 divided by 2, which is equals to 3. So the radius is 3. Since we are looking for the area, so we can use the formula area is equals to pi r squared is equals to pi times r squared. The radius is 3 and it's to the power of 2 So we have 9 pi is equals to 28.3 meter squared or square meters. So round your answer to the nearest 10. Okay, I just write one digit after the decimal point because it says round your answer to the nearest 10. Let's try another example. A circular garden with a radius of 10 feet will be completely enclosed with wire fence. How many feet of fencing will this project require? Round your answer to the nearest 10. Now here, what is being asked is the distance completely around the circular garden. Okay, the distance around the circular garden. So to find it, we need to use the formula for circumference. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, then substitute 2 pi times r. R is 10 feet. So we have 20 pi because we multiplied 2 and 10. Then the answer is 62.8. Okay, since it's round the answer to the nearest 10, so I just write one digit after the decimal. So it should be 62.8 feet. Okay, only feet because we are just looking for the distance. So therefore, the project will require 62.8 feet of fencing. Okay, last example. If the area of a circle is 16 pi square feet, then what is its diameter? Okay, the given is the area, and what we will be looking for is the diameter. So let's use the formula for the area since we have the area. So the area of a circle is A is equals to pi r squared. The given area is 16 pi is equals to pi r squared. Okay, let's undo the pi by dividing both sides by pi. Then we have 16 is equals to r squared. And to undo a square is by using the square root. So the square root. So r is equals to plus 4 or minus 4. But since we are talking about length or distance, so we will be taking the positive 4. So the radius is equals to 4. Is this the final answer? No. We are looking for the diameter. Since we're looking for the diameter, and the relationship between radius and diameter is radius is half of the diameter, so we will be multiplying the radius by 2. So the diameter is 8 feet. Okay, so that's how easy to find the area and the circumference of a circle. That's all for this video. If you want to know more about Phuket Pals, see our Facebook page or call us on 081-417-0978. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.